At first, click start and then type run. Then enter. Type temp and then OK. Then select all to delete. Then just wait for a second so it will delete all. Then next, click start, type run, and then enter. And then type %temp %, and then OK. Then this all folders, select all. Then delete. Just wait for a while. So and then files are deleted. Next, click start, then type run again, and then type recent. Then in this folder, this file, select all also. So delete po natin yan and then select all, delete. Okay. Yan, malinis na po yung drive C natin. Then next, type run, then type prepatch. It's OK. Continue. And then these are the files. So select all, then delete. So after that procedure, so we must empty the recycle bin to prepare for another temporary files to be deleted. Step 5. So go to my computer, open, and then go to Windows folder, open, and then click the software distribution, open this folder, then select all this folder files, then delete po natin yan, delete all. Wait for a while. Next, open again my computer, then drive C properties. So go to properties and then select tools, click the tools, and then let's go to optimize or defragmentation. Defragment. So let's defrag first and then defrag. And let's wait for a while. This would take time. So hintayin lang po natin to. Medyo mahaba ang proseso nito. Then close. Next, properties, tools again, and then check now. Step 8, open my computer again, drive C, properties, and then disk cleanup. So disk cleanup na po tayo. So just wait for a second, and then as you can see the box check all the box, delete that all the files. Then okay, and then delete the files. Just wait for a while. It's done. And then next, so click start and then type service, and then open the service. Click the service, open. So as we're here now inside the folder of service, so select the background intelligence. So let's open the background intelligence. And then disabled. So set to the disabled. Apply. And last, okay. And now it's done. So thank you for watching.